Thank you, everybody, for coming out to today's session. I think this session is going to be a lot of fun. What I'm going to do is try to cover a pretty wide swath of Photoshop features. We're going to start with a really bland virtual classroom, but we're going to look at how we can spice that up. We're going to add a room background. We're going to create some virtual name cards. As part of that, in Photoshop, we'll learn a bit about masking and selecting a subject. We're going to create a couple of title cards, similar to the LinkedIn title card that you can see there. And as part of that, we'll review some skills in Photoshop, like how to leverage those terrible photos that you just want to delete, how to blur along a path in Photoshop. We'll look at adjustment layers. We'll also take a look at how you can create images for your events. And to do that, in Photoshop, we'll look at content-aware scaling, and we'll look at how you can duplicate across multiple documents in Photoshop. We'll also take a look at how you can leverage the Creative Cloud libraries to make it really easy to create graphics that show room information.